I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. Gloves, goggles, and ventilation matter because corrosion particles are abrasive. Once set, rinse the aluminum to remove loose debris so the cleaning agents can work directly on the corrosion. Apply white vinegar to the pitted area and let it sit for 5–10 minutes to dissolve oxide. Use a soft brush with light pressure to break up remaining flakes. Make sure to move in straight strokes to avoid new scratches. Once the vinegar has loosened oxidation, neutralize acidic residue with a baking soda paste mixed to a toothpaste consistency. This prevents further etching. You should scrub gently with a nylon brush or non-abrasive pad because aluminum scratches easily, and those scratches trap corrosion. Rinse repeatedly with clean water to remove all paste and dissolved oxide. Make sure to dry the metal promptly to limit reoxidation. If white spots persist, repeat the vinegar exposure briefly and reapply the paste only where needed. You finish by drying the aluminum thoroughly and assessing the surface visually and by touch. Smoothness indicates most corrosion is gone. Apply a thin layer of automotive wax or a dedicated aluminum sealant to block moisture and slow future corrosion. Spread evenly and buff after curing for a protective sheen. If corrosion returns or deep pitting remains, that suggests deeper etching. Make sure to test an inconspicuous area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.